You do not realize how important a good headlamp is until the sun is almost gone. You're trying to stake down a tent in the dark. Someone dropped the tent pole in the leaves, your phone is at 12%, and now you're holding a flashlight in your teeth like this is somehow a normal way to live. This is when a headlamp stops being camping gear and starts being the thing that makes the whole night less annoying. So today we're going to look at 3 Nitecore headlamps for camping and hiking: the NU27, NU30, and the HA23 UHE. And the question is not just which one is brightest, the question is which one actually fits the way that you camp. For camping and hiking, light has to do a lot of different jobs. On a trail, you need enough brightness to see roots, rocks, mud, and where the path disappears into trees. At camp, you usually need the opposite. You need a lower mode so you can cook without blasting a white beam into your pot. You need close-up light for finding a lighter, fixing a guy line, checking a map, or figuring out which stuffed sack has your socks. And if you camp with other people, red light becomes way more useful than people think. So the best camping headlight is not always the most powerful one. It's the one that makes dark, ordinary camp tasks easier. That is the filter for these 3: trail visibility, camp comfort, and battery confidence. If you are the person who wants one headlamp for a little bit of everything, I would start with the NU27. This is for the hiker/camper who does weekend trips, car camping, short hikes, travel, for power outages, and the occasional we stayed out longer than expected situation. You're not trying to buy the most extreme headlamp, you just want the one that makes the most sense most of the time. The NU27 gives you up to 600 lumens, so it has real brightness when you need it on a trail. But the reason I like camping is the balance. You get USB-C charging, multiple beam options, multiple color temperatures, and red light, and a lightweight, less than 2 ounces, rechargeable body. NU27 is not the most basic option here. It's also not the biggest camp utility light. It's the practical middle. If someone asked me, I just want a good headlamp for camping, hiking, and general outdoor use, this is the one I'd point to first. Now, if your camping style is less covering miles and more setting up real camp, the NU30 starts to make a lot of sense. The NU30 gives you up to 500 lumens, so it's a little lower on max brightness than the NU27 or the HA23 UHE. But it has a larger built-in battery, longer runtime, and weighs around 3 ounces, which fits the whole camp utility idea. And if you're wearing it around camp for cooking, reading, organizing gear, or walking around the site, that extra runtime matters more than having the biggest lumen number. But the more important part is the lighting setup. You get primary white light, auxiliary white light, and auxiliary red light. The auxiliary white light is the kind of thing that does not sound exciting until you use it for close-up tasks. Reading a label, checking gear, finding something in your bag without turning on the main beam. And the red light is there for the same reason. Camp life is not always about maximum brightness. Sometimes the best light is the one that lets you see without making everyone else hate you. So I would think of the NU30 as the camp utility pick, not just a headlamp, more like the headlamp for people who actually spend time doing stuff around camp after dark. Then there is the HA23 UHE, and this one's for a different kind of camper. This is for the person who does not want their entire plan depending on one built-in battery. Maybe you're the person who likes knowing there are spare AAA batteries somewhere in the bag just in case. This is where the HA23 UHE becomes interesting. It gives you up to 600 lumens, multiple color temperatures, red light modes, and the big one, battery flexibility. You could run it on 3 AAA batteries or use the Nitecore HLB 1500 battery pack. For new campers, that's reassuring because AAA batteries are familiar and easy to replace. For more experienced users, it gives your backup flexibility. You get modern outdoor features, warm, neutral, and cool light, plus red light, but you're not locked into one power strategy. So the HA23 UHE is the pick for the person who wants a capable camping and hiking headlamp with a more traditional backup plan. So here's the simple version. If you want one headlamp for hiking, camping, travel, power outages, and general outdoor use, start with the NU27. That's the best overall pick for most people. If your camping style is more about hanging around camp, cooking, reading, organizing gear, and using the light for close-up tasks, look at the NU30. That's the camp utility pick. And if your biggest concern is battery flexibility, spare batteries, or having a headlamp that makes sense in both camping and emergency kits, go with the HA23 UHE. That is the battery flexibility pick. The big mistake is thinking the brightest one automatically wins. For camping and hiking, The best headlamp is the one that matches what your nights actually look like. Are you mostly moving, mostly hanging around camp, or mostly trying to build a reliable kit? That is the real decision. If you're still choosing between these three, drop your use case in the comments. Tell us if you're mostly hiking, mostly camping, or car camping, backpacking, or building a backup kit. And tell us what matters more: weight, runtime, red light, or battery flexibility. We'll help point you in the right direction.